Hello friends, we are going to react today Sorari Potru teaser. It's like by starring Surya, G.V. Prakash Kumar and Sudha Kongara. It came out on Jan 7, 2020 and it has 13 million views and 640,000 uploads. We are going to react to this particular trailer, but before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, the bell icon, so never miss any updates from me. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe to K for Kavit, which is a backup account of this particular channel. So if in any case this channel gets closed because we already have a copyright strike, it might be in a position where you'll be able to connect with me over there too and keep suggesting me whatever reaction you want from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys too. Also, follow me, it's free. So we are going to react to this particular video. Without further ado, let's start. Start an airline.
Pilot officer Nedimaran Rajangam. Ratan Tata wale inga or airline ஆரம்பிக்க முடியல. நீங்க யார் மாறன்?
Nenta? I don't know. Is it inspired from the real story? Whoa. My, it's pretty intense. He's wanted to open an airline. Okay. Okay, well, I wasn't knowing about, you know, I guess it's inspired from the real story. I'll Google it afterwards, after I review it actually. It's pretty intense actually, pretty intense. And if I'm not mistaken, Surya is the person who is the main character over here, and he is the person who has actually produced this particular movie. So this particular trailer came out on Jan 7, so I guess this movie might have released, or it might have been stuck in between because of the corona situation. I hope it might be not, but let's hope for the best. Talking about this particular thing, I guess this is inspired from the real story, because they have given example of Ratan Tata. Same point of time, it was actually he at the end, if I'm not mistaken, he is successful in making an airline in India. So it might be a real story if I'm not mistaken. If you people know about it, please do let me know in the comment section, and I might take some time, you know, whenever I'm free, I'll be able to react to it. I'll be going to the Google and what's the fuss all about. Let's see about that. So this was the reaction. I hope you like. Same point of time, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon, so never miss anything from me. Listen to Instagram, Twitter and Facebook at the description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. Also, we have a backup account, that is K for Kavit, in case you want to follow me over there. It will be great for me to keep getting the suggestions from you guys. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday, and I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So next reaction, next reboot, I would request you to stay healthy.